Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Moi Moi Elewe. Yes, Moi Moi comes in different method and style, but Elewe still remains my favorite. The taste is usually different, maybe the leaf has its special ingredients. A lot of people do enjoy it but find it difficult to wrap the leaf. Anyways, in today's video I would show you how to wrap the leaf like a pro with easy steps. So without any delay, let's get the video started. To the ingredients I'll be using, I have prepped most of them behind the camera. I have boiled mackerel, beans, seasoning cubes, salt, crayfish, egg, vegetable oil, pepper, onions, boiled egg, and the leaves I'll be using for wrapping. The first step is to blend the beans and pepper with little water until a smooth paste is formed. Transfer into a mixing bowl and mix until the pepper and beans is well incorporated. Keep stirring until it is light and fluffy. Next, I'll beat one egg and keep mixing. Mind you, addition of raw egg makes it fluffier. Next, I'll season it with some salt and seasoning cubes, add vegetable oil and keep mixing until it is well incorporated. So here I'm adding crayfish for flavor. You can either add it in whole or blended. Mix all together until it is light and fluffy. You can add warm water if the mixture is too thick. Mind you, the mixture shouldn't be too runny as well, and it shouldn't be too thick. You want a very normal consistency so your moi moi don't turn out hard when it is too thick or too soft when it is too runny. Now in a pot, add the stem of the leaf in the pot and cover it with some of the leaves. To the most important part of the video, guys, if you are just learning how to wrap moi moi, use a big leaf for easy wrapping. The first thing you want to do is fold the leaf into a cone, ensuring the end is closed to avoid leakage. The next thing is to break the closed end and bend it to secure a nice closure. That way the moi moi won't be able to leak. Once that is done, pour in some moi moi mixture, add some boiled eggs and fish. Then tuck the rest of the leaf in and bend the excess to the back carefully. Then place it in the pot. Easy, right? You can go back and watch me do it a couple of times, but trust me, it is easy to get. Repeat the process until the mixture is finished. Once that is done, place on medium heat and pour warm water inside the pot, enough to steam the moi moi. Let it steam for about 20 to 25 minutes and our delicious Moi Moi Elewe is ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post my next video. Bye.